All right, on our initial black belt challenge, let's begin by listening to what we hope to sound like. Okay, so now on this one, let's start with just feeling the pulse of that. That feels kind of funny because there's 6 counts before there. Ideally in music, we count it as ready, go. We wouldn't count all 6, but let's feel that pulse one more time before we begin. G, G, G. Okay, so now let's keep in mind the fingering patterns. We have G, thumb 1, 2, 3, A, thumb 1 and 2, B, thumb and 1. Okay, so let's practice singing along while we have those fingers down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. G, 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 A, B, G, 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 A, G, A, B. Okay, let's try that again. G, 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 A, B, G, 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 A, G, A, B. Okay, now let's try to play that. Okay, let's do that again a few more times. Again. And before we play this one last time, let's just go over this little section right here. Take a listen to what it's going to sound like before. Okay, so let's listen to that again. Okay, now let's try to join in and play along. We'll do it a few times. Start on A. Last time. Okay, and now let's take it back to the beginning. Last time through. Okay, nicely done. Hopefully you can pass off the initial black belt challenge.